Tantra for us is a way of living and is about integrating many aspects of life in a state of a yes. Sex is just one aspect of Tantra. There is many other aspects which are as important. We have to do with the heart. That for us it's very important actually, and the most important, which is about presence, is about connecting with another person through the heart, through presence, through listening to the other, through feeling the other, and then sex will follow in that space.
Tantra has many aspects. One of them is to just become more alive, to live your sexuality. There is people who are educated in a way so they do not really live their sexual energy. And for us it's clear, this is part of being a human being, you are a sexual being. Many people are repressed. So the first thing you need to do is you need to take the repression away. And then sexuality comes and you do a lot of crazy things and you start to suffer after a while. And then you ask yourself, is there anything I can do to suffer less? And then you automatically get more interested in being in the here and now, in connecting from the heart, into learning what intimacy is. When people come to us, they usually don't really know how to feel. They know how to think. Most of them are almost permanently thinking. Wanting or not, their mind doesn't shut up. So the first thing we teach them is how to feel. We make them go to the body. We say, you have a body, can you feel it? Then you get body awareness. Then we teach them how to have awareness of the emotional body. Any given moment you have emotions passing through, feelings passing through.
It's actually very difficult to be really intimate. It's most people are very scared. They want, but when the other is there, there is all kinds of protections and games and yes, no, push, pull. So it's really like learning an art or like learning how to play an instrument.
The next step, which is easy to say but difficult to do, is to allow painful feelings without trying to change them. Only if you allow painful feelings without trying to change them, they can integrate. Usually people try to get away from painful feelings. This keeps them stuck in the same place forever.
It has such a delicacy, this work. It's so fine in many levels, because when you open your heart to someone, you are vulnerable. So, you know, the other comes in and we're longing for that, but because of our past and our childhood, we are so scared. We have learned manipulation, we have learned that love does not come unconditionally, that it comes with a price. So we are all very cautious. So a lot of our work is to help people to open up.